Hey guys, I said I would do a video on how to use the Ready Math. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Sorry if my computer is a little slow. All right, so I'm going to come into my Clever. I'm going to hit the iReady. I have the little heart up here, so it's in my favorites and I don't have to look around for it. So once you hit that, it's going to send you to the main page. All right, once you get to the main page and it fully loads, go ahead and go up here to Assess and Teach. You're going to come over here to the toolbox right here. Click on Math. And wait for that to pop up. Now for Special Ed, once it's fully loaded, you will have this pop up at the very top. My class is doing place value right now, so I'm going to be starting in first grade, but you can look through all of these and find them. To make it easier on myself, since I already know what kind of lessons I'm looking for, I'm going to hit Control F on my keyboard and type in what I'm looking for. So for instance, I'm looking for place value. So place value pops up, any of those words. If it has this icon, it means it's interactive. Usually it's some type of video and things like that. So that's really good for my kiddos and we like to watch those. So one of the things that we watched today was place value and understanding place value. So I'm going to click on the icon. And it's eventually, there we go. Sometimes it'll have one thing, two things, or more. I'm going to pick which one I want. So I want identify two-digit numbers. And then I'm going to hit play. Once I hit play, hit OK. And if you already have this up on your desktop, it will save and you don't have to try relogging in or anything like that.
One, two. Hey, Snarky.
So this is kind of a video, and eventually it'll go into having to convert numbers and how to do tens and place value. So for my kiddos, what I usually do is I have them work with the video with me, either using the chat box if they're able, or each student also has a whiteboard and dry erase markers that they can use at home. And then for my students with more complex communication needs, if they have a switch at home, I let them use that to answer questions, or if they're answering a question, it can be yes or no. We do the whole shake your head up and down for yes, side to side for no, or I use a pre-recorded switch for them to try to reach out and hit the screen with. There are lots of different options on how you want to word it and make it so that all kiddos can be included in the lesson. So we would go through and watch the lesson.
Need some help? Oh. When you have lots of things, count by tens.
So if you want to skip to specific parts in the video, you can't just like click down at the bar and go. You actually have to click the three little lines over here, and then you can go to different sections in the video. So
Let's see how many cubers there are. We can count the tens. How many tens are there? Choose the correct number.
So this is a time I might pause and I might talk about and see what the kids can come up with, depending on how much time your kids need to think through the problem or to give every kid the opportunity to answer the question. And again, if at any time you want to come back over and you want to skip to a different section of the video, hit these 3 lines, come up here, and pick whatever section of the video you want to go in. So, instruction part. So I might go here. So it's giving me more information on
What number is
that
6 tens and 3 ones?
This is a time when I can ask a specific student, okay, what should I put in here? Or use a switch to ask a student, things like that. And then I do like this because in most of them, if you keep going down, you can hit practice.
Which number does the picture show?
And then this is just kind of repetitive and you're working on what video, the information that you just did on the video. So I do like that. And then I might even follow that up with going over to vocabulary and deciding like, ooh, okay, place value. Let's go ahead. We're going to watch this video on place value just to kind of give a quick reminder of what we did, because these videos are just a few minutes long usually. So I hoped that helped. I will also be sending out a PowerPoint later, so